wherever you are, it's time to begin to, come into the channel now and join us now. Let's begin today's live session. Okay, sorry. Yeah, wherever you are welcome to live Igbo class. Let's talk Igbo language live. This is Mazi Okafor right here with you. So wherever you are, you do well to begin to join up now. In the next 5 minutes, we're going to start this free class. We are running free live Igbo classes, which have been on for some months now based on popular demand. This live session is meant to drill you on Igbo language, help you to understand some intricate parts of Igbo language, help you to assess your level of progress in Igbo language, also to help you learn new things. Each day we come together to speak and learn Igbo language. This live session is especially for all learners of Igbo language who may have been subscribed to other channels but are looking for ways to assess themselves and know the level of their progress. So you do well to come around here every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigeria time, 1300 GMT, so that we can all try speaking Igbo language together, measure our level of progress. So wherever you are now, see me. It's a time to join up for this live class. It's a free class, so you have nothing to lose by just joining. You can learn. I can assure you, when you are here, you are bound to learn new things and improve on your Igbo learning journey. So it's always a nice time to meet with you, to see you, to interact with you in Igbo language, and then gauge your level of progress and educate you more on things you need to know, even as you make progress. So wherever you are now, see me, you are in the right place. This is the Igbo Tutor Live, Mazi Okafor. I am the anchor of the Igbo Tutor YouTube channel, and we do a lot to help our Igbo brethren all over the world to, improve on their Igbo learning abilities. We know for sure that many Igbo children and parents are all around the world scattered. We are travelers. So we are bound to have challenges with our language due to intertribal or international marriages, due to dislocation in one way or the other because of our movement from one part of the world to another. So it's normal. We're going to have children who cannot speak the language very well, who don't understand it, even elderly ones who are disconnected with the language. So this is why we come up with teaching you where you are online, live. So you don't need to pay any tuition fee for this. You don't need to spend any money to register. All you need to do is pick up your phone, go to your computer, go online and then join this class free of charge and start learning right away. So what are you waiting for? Wherever you are, come on board now. Join this class now. Let's do this together. The next few minutes, the class will start fully. So you do well to join, because we don't want to wait for anyone. We want to start our class at the appointed time, at the scheduled time, and possibly end it in 1 hour. That is our plan. So it will do you well to always block off this date and time, your schedule, and be ready and set to join the class at the actual time, which is 1300 GMT or 2 p.m. Nigerian time. So what are you waiting for? Perhaps you're seeing me. You've not been part of this class before now. I can tell you, you're losing a lot. By joining this class now, I can assure you at the end of this 1 hour, you will never be the same again. So wherever you are, seeing me right now, you are in the right place. So join this class. Let's do this together. I want to welcome those who are here now. No, Tochi Upabi, you are the first to come to class today. Tochi Dewo. Chikezie Madonna, the class captain, you're welcome to class. Princess Ezenwa, I'm happy to see you again in class today. You've been off last week or a couple of weeks, but I'm happy you are here today, Ezenwa. You are all welcome to class. Remember our rules. When you join the class, you hit the like button. Number 1 rule. Rule number 2, hit the share button. Rule number 3, subscribe to our channel if you have not done that. Rule number 4, participate fully by following the teacher's instruction. These are a few things you need to know, and they are all important to us. So you are welcome to class. We are still going to, let me see the time. This is the hour on the dot. This is 2 p.m. Nigerian time. And then this is 1300 GMT. We hope others will join without delay at all. We have 3 people in class. We're waiting maybe 1 more minute or 2, with your permission anyway, for us to wait for maybe 2 or 3 minutes more before we will take off, so that we don't have to reverse and then we don't get so many people disconnected from where we began. So with your permission, we're going to wait for about 2 or 3 minutes before we kickstart the class. Please, let's confirm that I'm audible enough. You can hear me very well. There we go. Let's confirm that you're hearing me well, so that I'm sure I'm communicating. Some of you in class have not hit the like button, as explained earlier. Follow your teacher's instruction. This is very important. Hit the like button, hit the share button, subscribe to our channel if you have not done that. Okay, Tochi said I can hear you. Okay, Tochi Ndewo, thank you for that confirmation. Okay, now let's use these first 5 minutes to review our last lesson. Last Saturday, we continued with this series, which is on conjunction in Igbo. Anyị mere njiko. In Igbo, conjunction is called njiko, N-G-I-K-O, with dot under the O. That is conjunction, njiko. Last week, we continued our series on njiko, conjunction, and then we have covered coordinating conjunction, which is conjunction between 2 phrases or words of equal strength. We've also done subordinating conjunction, which is conjunction between main clause and subordinate clause, or main phrase and subordinate phrase. They are not of equal strength. We've done that also. Today, we are going to the next and the last part of conjunction, which is the correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction, which is njiko na-eso ibe. Njiko na-eso ibe. Correlative conjunction. Okay? Coordinating conjunction is njiko ranrata. They are equal in strength. Subordinating conjunction is njiko nne na nwa. Njiko nne na nwa is like saying joining mother and child. Okay? That is subordinating conjunction. And then today, we are looking at correlative conjunction, which is the conjunction that is bringing related issues together, related matters together. They are correlated in a way, they are connected in a way, they are talking about similar things in one way or the other, but they are related. The 2 parts that are being joined are related. So that is correlative conjunction. They're talking about similar things. So that's where we are today. And I want to also assure you that during the week, by next week precisely, before our next lesson, we're going to upload a video that carries the comprehensive lesson on conjunction into our YouTube channel. So that will also serve as a kind of review material for you, and for those who have been not taking notes, they will use that as their notes material, and then to review and then reassess and remind themselves of so many things. So that is the promise. We're almost through with the video. By next week, the video will drop. I hope you're going to watch it and then share it to other people. And then as you do, God will bless you. Now, having said that, can someone remind us? Because ofu onye chetara anyị ha mere n'izu gara aga, okwu ikpeazụ maọbụ njikọ ikpeazụ anyị lere anya n'izu gara aga. What was the last conjunction we considered last week? Kedu njikọ ikpeazụ anyị mere n'izu gara aga? Gịnị ka ọ bụ? What is it? Some people complain that we are using English to teach Igbo. And then I saw that in a comment, and I responded that yes, it's deliberate, because most of you who are teaching Igbo are not very conversant with Igbo. If I start speaking Igbo only, you will be disconnected. You won't understand what I'm saying at all. So I explained that we're teaching people who don't know Igbo, who don't understand Igbo. We are moving them from what they know to what they don't know. So we use English to explain and then go back to Igbo. So with the hope of taking you from the English you know to start speaking Igbo, which you are learning now. I hope that represents you, or you want me to start speaking Igbo all through. If that is what you want, you can let me know that in the comment section. So I am waiting for you to tell us what we did the last lesson, last Saturday. I need to remind those who are joining the class now to drop a greeting so that we can pick their name and welcome them to class. That's number one thing you do when you come to class. That is like marking your register. I need to record and remember those who are in class. So you drop your greeting. Okay, just a guy, you're welcome. Okay, all right. So, Princess Enwa, are you able to use a writing board to catch the spelling? Okay, I'm not able to use the writing board now, but what I'm doing, like I said earlier, is to drop a full video on conjunction next week, which will carry everything. And I'm also going to drop ebook on conjunction next week. So you have the ebook, you can buy it and have it as in your archive for review and for further studies. I'm going to also drop a video into our channel on conjunction. So you have the ebook and you have the video. These are going to be review materials for you. I hope we are all going to buy the ebook when they are out early next week. I hope you're going to buy them and watch the videos. Is that right? So talking to Princess Ezenwa now and the rest. Yeah. So now Ezenwa said, just, okay, somebody said, Nabanye, as the last thing we did, this person must have missed our last Saturday's class. So somebody is saying something better. Somebody said, okay, Princess say, I will purchase. Of course, every student have to purchase the ebook when it's out, because that will serve as your review material. If you don't buy it, you'll be doing yourself a harm. So somebody said, Obweziena, that as the last thing we did last Saturday. I don't think that is the last thing we did last Saturday. What was the last word we considered last Saturday? I don't accept what you guys are writing. Obweziena, no, that was not the last. I hope some of you are in our last Saturday lesson. What was the last conjunction we considered? It comes in form of, we consider things like even though, as if, as far as, okay, as long as soon as, provided that, assuming that, in order that. Those are the things we considered last Saturday. Am I communicating? I forgot to join last time. So you are not here last time. That's why you're saying something else. I think you are referring to a lesson of 2 weeks ago, not that of last Saturday. If you are here, Chikezi, I expected you to remind us of what we considered last on Saturday, or you didn't take note at all. I think the last word we considered last Saturday is in order that. In order that. That was, by my own note, that was the last thing we considered last Saturday. Okay? Is in order that, which is go away. That is what we considered last Saturday. So those of you that missed our last Saturday lesson, go back to our homepage and watch the video so that you can be up to speed with what we are doing here. What we did last is in order that. That was the last conjunction. So please, I will encourage you once again to drop your greetings. Number one, let's register your presence. Hit the like button. That is our rule. Number two. Number three is to hit the share button. Number four is to subscribe to this channel if you have not done that. These are simple things that doesn't cost you anything. These are ways of supporting initially and spreading the news and encouraging us as you come in. So these are simple things you can do without wasting any time or without spending anything. So do that as we go on. So today, I've said what we did last Saturday, except somebody, okay, Okezie Egbocha, you're welcome to class. I think this is the first time you're joining our live class. No. Okezie, hit the like button. That is our rule. When you come, hit the share button and then subscribe to our channel. These are the initial things you do when you join our live class. Thank you for coming in. Okezie. Okay, we talked Kowe, that is in order that. That was the last thing we considered last Saturday. And I hope many of us follow through. And if not, go back to our last Saturday's video and watch it again so you can, come to speed with what we are doing today. Now we begin today's lesson. And we're looking at the last type of conjunction today, which is correlative conjunction. I will implore you to pay a rapt attention because this correlative conjunction is a little bit complex because it's not just one word. It's always coming in pair. So you pay a rapt attention so that you can understand it. It might take us some time to explain, but we'll try our best to do that. So that is the conjunction we're talking about today. Correlative conjunction means conjunction that is in pair but connects together because they are related and they are talking of similar things. So that's why they correlate in a way, pointing to the same direction, but they are always in pair. Examples of correlative conjunction are as follows: both and in pair, either or in pair, neither nor in pair, whether or in pair. Then not only but in pair, not only but in pair. Then we talk about such that, two words but always going together. Scarcely when, always in pair. Finally, we're going to look at no sooner than, These are the 8 correlative conjunctions we are looking at today. We begin with the first one. Hope we are all ready for this. Number 1 is both and. 2 conjunctions coming together in one sentence and pointing to the same direction. Both and. What is this in Igbo language? Can anybody try that? And please, the rule is, once I say, can anybody try that? I don't know it. Say, I don't know. Amaim. Amaim is spelled A-M-A-G-H-I with dot under the I. Amaim. Then you add it M at the end to show personality. You are pronoun, me. I don't know. That is me. I will come after, which is I. So you just write that, okay? Just a guy has said, am I fine? Any other person, just say, I don't know if you don't know it. If you know it, just tell me what it is. Both and. What are they in a sentence in Igbo? Can you guess? When you use 2 of them in one sentence in Igbo, what do they represent in Igbo language? Okay? If you have idea, drop it. If you don't have, say, I don't know. Write it in English, write in Igbo, am I in Igbo. Then we move on to say it and make a sentence with that. Yeah, I'm waiting for you. Anybody trying? Is Chikezie still in the class? Class captain. I hope you are still here. Okay, so everyone say, am I? Okay. What about, I see Igbo join this class. Am I right? Yeah, Igbo is here. Any idea? Say, am I? If you don't know. So that way we can move on without wasting our time at all. Yes, I am waiting. Any other person? Okay, many of you are saying amaim. Okay, amaim. Okay, somebody said aqua and oko. Okay, okezie. Okay, you try. That's a fair trial. Okay, that's a fair trial. Okay, let's look at it this way. Amaim, both, followed by and. Both of them are similar in Igbo language. Both are represented by the word ma, M-A, ma. This sentence is talking about 2 things. One person doing 2 things, both things together. It's like selling 2 things together in one shop or doing 2 things together at a time. So it's talking about 2 things that one person is carrying out or doing at a time. So it's like a compounding of words. So both are ma, ma, ma. Let's try to do that in a sentence. That's why I say you should pay attention because this is going to be tricky somehow. Now, I sell, this example now. I sell both shirts. and ties. I sell both shirts and ties. Talking about what you are selling now, referring to the same thing. Both shirts and tie. Okay, I am following, but I'm a little busy. Okay, she can still say she is busy, so he's following. So now this is the sentence. I sell both shirts and ties. Can somebody guess what that will be in Igbo? I've told you that where we have both, you put ma there. Where you have and also you put ma there, M-A. That is the sentence. Now convert that to Igbo. I sell both shirts and tie. Convert that to Igbo sentence. Where you see both, put M-A there. Where you see and, put M-A there. Okay? Ma. Try doing that. Can somebody try that? I sell both shirts and ties. Can somebody try that? Igbo, give it a try. You are the assistant captain. So in the absence of the captain, you are taking over the mantle. Although the captain is available but busy, but you can, show you are able deputy now when the captain is not around. So try that sentence. I sell both shirts and ties. Yeah, I'm waiting for Igbo or any other person for that matter. Give it a try. And okay, Princess Enwa, that's great. Enwa is coming up. And okay. Ana mere ma nakwa na tie. Okay, good try. Good try. I said you should use M-A, where you see both and where you see and, use ma for both of them, M-A. But you tried. Ana mere. So where you wrote Ana mere, your M should stand alone as a pronoun. Don't join it with mere. It makes a different meaning entirely. Talking to Ezenwa now. So Anam, we have that M, which represents you, I, will stand alone. Don't join it with E-R-E. It sounds mere. No, Anam, ere. The M will stand alone. Now you now say ma. Nakwa. No, you don't say manakwa. You just say anamere ma aqua, not manakwa. Ma aqua. Okay? Ma, the other one. Okay? The other one now. Anamere ma uwe ma tie. Okay? Chikezero tie in English. Okay, we are looking for Igbo name for tie. Who will bail the cat? Okay. Who will bail the cat? What is the Igbo name for tie? Tie is not common to our people. So I don't know whether we have tie in Igbo as a particular name. But let's give tie a name in Igbo. Okay? Follow me. Let's give tie a name in Igbo. We can do that. Tie could be Eriri Olu. Eriri Olu. Okay? Agu has said something similar to that. Agu said Eriri suit. Don't talk about suit. Suit is not acceptable in Igbo. Eriri Olu is okay. That is neck rope. Eriri Olu. Just leave it like that. Not Eriri suit. Mr. Agu. One Agu. Not Eriri suit. Remove suit. Okay. I call it Eriri Olu. We are adopting it today as our name for tie. And it's right. Nobody can dispute it. We are Igbo people. And we can give names. All the names you are hearing today, some people began to call them first, and everybody follow it. Okay? Ekwenti. We don't have Ekwenti in Igbo language before. Nothing like phone when we are growing up. So it doesn't have name. But when he came, we gave it a name. We gave it Ekwenti, which is the ear gong, because of the way it sounds when they call you. Go, 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 go. So we just give it a name by the sound. So we are giving tie Eriri Olu. Okay, Ana mere my table. You don't start to King Joe. You don't start to follow what we are doing. So those who are joining for the first time, please hit the like button, hit the share button, and then subscribe to our channel. That's the way you can support this program and project and encourage us to move on further. Okay, so we have taken this to be Ana mere ma aqua, that is clothes. Ma eriri olu. That is our sentence now. Please write it down if you are writing. Ana mere ma aqua ma eriri olu, which means I'm selling both shirts and ties. So we are taking tie to be eriri olu. Take note of that. Okay, Clement here, welcome to class. Okay, we are done with the first conjunction, talking about correlative conjunction in Igbo, which is njiko na-eso ibe. That is a correlative conjunction. Njiko na-eso ibe. Okay, ana mere ma akwa na eriri olu. Okay, that is the perfect sentence. Chikezie has written that. Look at that. If you are copy from Chikezie McDonald, that is the perfect sentence we have made. I'm selling both shirt and tie. Ana mere ma akwa na eriri olu. That is our sentence. Approved. So we go to the next conjunction, which is either or. Remember, we're talking about correlative conjunction, always coming in pair, two words together. Now, we're now in number 2, which is either or. Either or. Who can try? What is this in Igbo language? What is either or? Which word do we use to represent them in Igbo language? Try. Somebody should try. While we are waiting for a trial, some of you have not hit the like button. That is not fair for your teacher. Some have not done that up to now. Some have not hit the share button. It's not fair for your teacher. I hope all of us who are new to this channel today have subscribed. That is the least you can do for us, right? To encourage us. And those of you who are coming, while I'm waiting for the name of either or in Igbo, let me also announce that those of you who are coming in for the first time or who are new beginners, you have an advantage because we have prepared ebooks that carries or covers all basic things you need to know about Igbo language. And the beautiful thing about our ebooks is that it comes with audio, which you can download and listen to offline. So anytime, any day, you can listen to me, talk to you. You can play it in your car as MP3. You can listen while you are washing plates in your kitchen, while you are doing laundry. You can listen to your teacher, talk to you. And it is a one-time purchase that gives you all this access. And it comes with text, pictures, and audio for a very cheap price, between $1 and $3. You buy one. So we have about 10 books in our bookshop. With $25, you can buy all of them. Get one today, get all today. And where do you buy them? Very simple. The link to our bookshop is in our channel description. There, go to our homepage and look at our channel description. You will see a link to our bookshop. This live session we're also doing now, the description to this live session and previous ones also contain a link to our bookshop. We also have it as pinned comments in our previous videos. You can always see a link to our bookshop. Get in there, buy all the books, start learning today, so that when you come back next time, your Igbo speaking would have improved so much. That's what Ezenwa did. Ezenwa is already pulling weight now in Igbo. Okay, somebody said Mobu. Okay, just guy also said Mobu. Yeah, I agree with you people, or is Mobu. Then Chikeze said Amaemo. Okay, that's good, that's fair. The issue here is that those who said Mobu are right because or means Mobu. But the challenge here is, what about the first one, either? What do we use for either in Igbo? Okay, the truth is that either is silent when it comes to correlative conjunction in Igbo language. Either is silent. The only one that comes out pronounced is or, which is mobu. So those of you who said mobu, you are right. Nekaicho, you are welcome to class. Okay, no. So those who said mobu, you are right. So let's do a sentence with that now. So either or, remember that is what we're looking at. I will eat either rice or yam. I will eat either rice or yam. Try to make the sentence as simple as possible. So try that writing that. Remember I said that either in Igbo is not pronounced. What is pronounced is or at the end. Okay, where can I learn more conjunctions? Is it in the ebook or yes? Yeah, you came in late. I said our ebook is coming out next week on this. I'm almost through with the work. So the ebook is coming out. It's going to be published next week. And then I'm going to also upload a video that summarizes all we have done on this particular subject of conjunction the same next week. So expect the video and the ebook of this conjunction next week. So Nick, I'm sure I'm going to buy that when it comes out. I trust you'll do that. So that's about that. So Chike just said aga m eri osikapa maọbụ ji. Great. Aga m eri osikapa maọbụ ji. Princess Ezenwa said, ana m eri osikapa maọbụ ji. Great. Okay. Igbo, your response is coming very late. I hope your network is not failing you. Okay, so maọbụ is the right word, and we're now doing the sentence. Your network, you are not coming as usual. Igbo. I don't know what is the issue, the challenge you're having. Aga m eri osikapa maọbụ ji. Okay, that's great. That's great. That's great. That's great. So most of you are correct. Okay. Ma na-eri osikapa maọbụ ji. That is just a guy. Okay, and that is, I think Tochi is just a guy here. I think that is Tochi. I want to be sure. Tochi, I hope, are you the one? Let me remember, I want to call you by your name. Tochi, I hope you are just a guy by acronym here, AKA. Are you the one? I want to remind myself. Is it a na or agam? Okay, no. Okay, just a guy is Ikechuku, not Tochi. It is not agam, it's an. Okay, agam, I will eat. You are right. It's agam, it's not anam. It's agam. Princess Ezenwa, you are right. Okay, Tochi is here, Tochi Pabi is here. It's agam, I will, is future, not anam. If it's anam, it means I am eating already. But agam, in future, I will. Agameri, osikapa, maọbụ ji. You can see here that either is silent in Igbo. We didn't mention either, but we only emphasize or. So in Igbo, we just go straight to mention the first activity, the first item we're referring to, without mentioning either. Then or comes in, maọbụ. Aga m eri osikapa maọbụ ji. Perfectly said. I hope everyone is in tune with this. Okay, so we move on to number 3. Number 3, which is neither nor. Remember, we're dealing with correlative conjunction. Neither nor, always in pair. Neither nor. Let's look at it. Who can guess what this is? It is similar to either or, the same behavior that either or has in Igbo is what neither nor also have in Igbo, which means the first one, which is neither in this case, is silent in Igbo, but the nor is pronounced in Igbo. So it's the same. So now guess the meaning of nor in Igbo. Nor, N-O-R. Can anybody guess that? Very tough. Today's class is a little bit tough, but it's fine. We're growing. Okay, somebody said mob. No, mob is or. We're talking about no. It's different. No. Can anybody try that? Okay, Chike said mob way. Okay. Good effort. Good try. I expect this class to be tough for everybody, really, but it's fine. We are learning. We should grow up. So those who are coming in newly, the best option for you is to buy up our ebooks and get to, acquaint yourself with the basics, the rudiments, numbers, alphabet, 2-letter words, everything that you need to know, all the rudiments, you learn them by buying the ebooks. Go through them. It's one-time purchase. Download the audio and the text and the pictures and start enjoying yourself. One-time purchase, $1 to $3. You get any of them today. Okay? So, wepuga. Ago said wepuga. Okay? That's a good try. You all tried, but you didn't get it. So let's go back to what it should be. Now, this no, the meaning in Igbo comes in relation to the particular statement that's been made. It doesn't have a particular one meaning. For example, if I say, Ngozi likes neither milk nor tea, the emphasis here you should think about is like. That is what determines the meaning of no in Igbo. Likes, okay? Because it will complement the sentence. Let me come. Ngozi likes neither milk nor tea. I told you that neither will be silent in this case, but we're going to emphasize no. Now let's look at what it should be. That no in terms of like is nke oga cho. Nke oga cho. nke ọ ga-achọ. For example, Ngozi achọghị milk nke ọ ga-achọ. What is next one? Tea. Ngozi achọghị milk nke ọ ga-achọ tea. So he neither likes tea nor likes milk rather nor tea. Ngozi achọghị milk nke ọ ga-achọ tea. Now look at this word nke ọ ga-achọ is because we're talking about like. Okay. Now if I use another word, I am neither a Nigerian nor American. I am neither a Nigerian nor American. Look at that word. I am neither a Nigerian nor an American. How do we do it? You cannot use nke ọ ga-achọ in that case. The next thing you're going to use is nke ọ ga-abụ, because the sentence is abụghị m onye Nigeria, nke m ga-abụ. So the meaning of the no is relative to the particular sentence that is made. Nke ọ ga-achọ in terms of want, like. Nke m ga-abụ, I am not a Nigerian. Abụghị m onye Nigeria. Nke m ga-abụ onye America. You can see that the no change from nke ọ ga-achọ or nke m ga-achọ to nke m ga-abụ, because the sentence changed entirely. So it's not static. But what you should know is that you should hold the beginning nke ọ ga or nke m ga into your hand. Then the remaining part of it will be dependent on the sentence that is made. Nke m ga-achọ, nke ọ ga-abụ, nke ọ ga-eri, depending on what is being said. If it is eating, he doesn't want to eat, he doesn't like to eat this nor that, or he will not eat neither this or that. Nke ọ ga-eri nke a, ọ chọghị iri nke a, nke ọ ga-achọ nke ọzọ. So you see the meaning is not fixed, but you should hold on to the beginning of the word. Nke ọ ga-eri, nke ọ ga-achọ, nke ọ ga-abụ. In this case, Ngozi achọghị milk, nke ọ ga-achọ tea. Okay, Igbo has written that complete. Ngozi achọghị milk, nke ọ ga-achọ tea. Igbo has written that complete for us. That's fine. Thank you, Igbo. Ma ọ bụghị ma ọ bụ. Okay, Igbo has written that. So that is correct. The sentence of Igbo is perfect. Ngozi achọghị milk, nke ọ ga-achọ tea. I've given another example. Abụghị m onye Nigeria, nke m ga-abụ onye America. So nke m ga-abụ, nke ọ ga-achọ, it changes depending on the circumstance and the statement being made in this case. Now, okay, or she wants, okay, we'll move on now. And we're moving to number four now. Number 4, we're going to number 8 in today's lesson. So we move. Number 4, whether or, I make a sentence. Do you care whether they come or not? Do you care whether they come or not? That is an example of a sentence. Or I don't care whether they come or not. It's whether or. So, can somebody guess? What is that? Okay. Remember, or is also there. Or is also there. Okay. The only thing we're looking for now is whether. We've already known that or means mobile. We know that in Igbo. So we are looking for whether now. Whether they come or not. So what is whether? Can somebody try? Whether. Okay. Looking for answer. Whether. Okay. Can someone write, I am neither a Nigerian or American in Igbo? Okay. Chikezie, please help us. I am neither a Nigerian nor American in Igbo. Please help us to write that, Chikezie. Achọghị m ịma ma ha bịara, ma ha abịaghị. Okay, Chikezie, good. Thank you for writing that. But somebody is requesting that we should write, I am neither a Nigerian nor, this person is even writing or, it's not or, it is nor America. is not or, it's nor an American. So Chikeze, help us write that. Abụghị m onye Nigeria, nke m ga-abụ onye America. Abụghị m onye Nigeria, nke m ga-abụ onye America. I'm neither a Nigerian nor American. Okay, Chikeze has written, abụghị m onye Nigeria, nke m na-abụ onye America. Okay, that's fine. So Clement Emehe, please update your record. Write your notes. Chikeze has written that, the class captain. Abụghị m onye Nigeria, nke m na-abụ onye America. That's perfect. That is it. And also, Chikeze has written our next sentence in Igbo, which is, I don't mind, or do you mind? Okay, do you mind? Achọghị m ịma, I don't mind, or I don't care whether they come or not. That is our next sentence we are talking about. I don't mind whether they come or not. Yes. There's somebody, okay, Chikeze has written that in Igbo, which is, achọghị m ịma ma ha bịara, ma ha bịaghị. Okay, you tried, you use ma in this case, but we're talking about whether or. The next part is or, which is maọbụ. So we are not going to use ma, we're going to use maọbụ. Okay, so achọghị m ịma, I don't care. Achọghị m ịma means I don't want to know. But in this case, we're talking about I don't care. They look alike, but they are not exactly alike. I don't care. I don't care whether they come or not. The right sentence should be Obasaim, I don't care. Obasaim mahabiara, maọbụ na ha bịaghị. Obasaim mahabiara, maọbụ na ha bịaghị. Obasaim mahabiara, maọbụ na ha bịaghị. Okay, so let's correct that sentence. Chikezie, Obasaim, I don't care. Okay, if you say achọghị m ịma is okay. Achọghị m ịma is also good, but achọghị m ịma is actually I don't want to know. Achọghị m ịma, I don't want to know. But in this case, I don't care. Obasaim mahabiara, maọbụ na ha bịaghị. That's perfect. Chikezie has written that. That's perfect. Obasaim, I would have preferred you put o to stand alone as a pronoun, okay? And they should have dot under, not just o. I'm talking to Chikezie now. You put o to stand alone as a pronoun, and it has to have dot under it, which is Obasaim. Obasaim is correct. Mahabiara, okay? So ma is neither or whether. That is what you can derive from here. So ma is whether. In this sentence, ma is whether. Ma, M-A, that is whether. Whether, W-H-E-T-H-E-R, whether. It is ma. That is the word. Okay? So I don't care about sign whether ma they come habiara, maọbụ or habiaye. Okay, so I don't care whether they come or not. Obasaim ma whether habiara they come or maọbụ they don't come or not habiaye. Okay, so I want that sentence to be corrected perfectly. Obasaim mahabiara, maọbụ na ha bịaghị. Let the class captain rewrite that properly. For those who are copying, to copy the right thing, the perfect sentence the way it should be. I also observe that some of you have not hit the like button, which is not fair. Some of you, I'm not sure you have shared this video, this live session. I hope all of you have subscribed. And those of you who have not got our ebooks, do that now. Very important. After this class, very important. It is to help you. We did that for your sake. You can't get such ebook anywhere. It has both audio and text and pictures all in one for the price of one. And they are downloadable audios that you can keep for life and listen to even when you are offline. So those who bought the books can testify to that. So that's good. Chigeze has corrected the sentence. For those who are copying, please write perfectly well now. Obasan Mahabiara Mobu Nahabiae. Perfect sentence. For those who are writing, write it out in your book now. That is correct. Perfectly done. Okay? And then as we move on, it will not be out of place if you appreciate this channel and the work we are doing in this channel. This is a free service to everybody, and you can tell that we incur costs to be online and always do our research, buy data to be online, take our time to teach you. It costs both time, energy, and resources. So it will not be out of place if you appreciate your teacher by giving us super stickers and super chats, then buying our books. That is the little you can do to support us and help us to always come around every Saturday to teach you free of charge. It won't be too much for you to do, to give us this super chat or super stickers, buy our books. Those are the little ways you can support us to move on with this exercise. Thank you for doing that. So we move on now to number 5. And the number 5 we're talking about now is not only bets. Not only bets. Not only bets. Some of you have not hit the like button. Some have not shared it. That's not fair enough. Not only bets. Okay, Marabel Power said learning a lot. Thank you, Marabel. Please change that your chat to super chat, Marabel. That would be very fun. How about that? Okay, thank you. I'm just joking anyway. It's up to you to do that or not. So it's not compulsory you do. So we move on. We're talking about not only bets. Not only bets. Anybody trying to do that for us? To convert that to Igbo. Okay? Not only bets. Correlative conjunction. Not only bets. Anybody trying that out? Okay, waiting. Anyone trying that? Not only bets. Not only bets. Chikeze wrote, Obuyi nani ma. Okay, great work. Ibo say, Obuyi nani. Great, you have got the first part, Obuyi nani. How about the second part? Ibo. Chikeze have done the 2 parts. What about the second part? Obuyi nani ma. Please, when you are doing the 2, separate it with dots or hyphen, so that we can know that this is the left part and this is the right part to make up the 2 sides. So separate your word you are writing with a dot or 2 dots or 3 dots, so we know that you are referring to the 2 parts of the correlative conjunction. Okay, I know that what Chikeze had done, but he didn't separate it. When he said Oboyenani ma, that is what he's doing, but you have to separate it so it will be clear for us. Not only, but also, it can also go like that, but also, but you can limit it to that. So, Ibo, what is the second part of your conjunction? Oboyenani, I agree with that. That is not only, agreed. What about your second part, Ibo? Oboyenani ma, that's great. That's what I expected. Chikeze have done that perfectly well, so that you can carry the 2. Oboyenani ma, Ibo has done that. That's assistant class captain. Good effort. Okay, let's see. But for me, I chose Oboyenani kama. No, it's not ma this time. We've used ma for many of them. This is kama. Not only, but also kama. I use K-A-M-A for myself for this particular one. Let's see whether that goes better than ma. Let's try a sentence. He not only studied hard, but also works well. He not only studies hard, but also works well. Remember that the conjunction here, correlative, is not only and but also. He not only studies hard, but also works well. Let's try that in Igbo. and see how it goes. Hello, I am new, Chinyerobi. You're welcome to class. You say no, that's how to greet here, not hello, Chinyere. Say no, N-O-O, N-N-O-O, dot under the two O's, no. Or ndewo, N-D-E-W-O, ndewo. That's how to greet Chinyere in this class, okay? Or you say Daalu no, D-A-A-L-U, dot under the U. Then you put O at the end to show that you are shouting Daalu no. Okay, talking to Chinyere. Anyway, I'm joking. But that's how we greet here, Chinyere. For those of you who are coming in, Chinyere, have you subscribed to this channel? That's the first assignment. Hit the like button on this live session, hit the share button, and subscribe to our channel if you have not done that. And since you're a new student, you have to prepare to buy our ebooks that will help you to learn and cover all lost ground. And there are previous live sessions are uploaded into our home page. So go there, click on live, and you see all our previous live sessions, watch them, and learn a lot from them. Also, don't forget that when you hit the description box of our homepage, YouTube homepage, you will see a link to our ebook shop where you can buy up to 10 Igbo ebooks that come with both audio, text, and pictures all in one for the price of one. Between $1 to $3, you buy any of them. With $25, you buy all of them, 10 books. And go home, download them, start learning. When you come back next Saturday, you'll be on fire. Okay, so let's move on. That's great effort from Igbo. Yes, I'm waiting for others. Not only studies hard, but also works well. I'm talking about correlative conjunction in Igbo. And the conjunction we're looking at here is not only, but also. Two in one sentence. Okay? Somebody has done something marvelous. Can anybody try doing something similar to that or better than that? Igbo, great effort. Great effort. So those who are new may find this class too advanced for them. So that's why they have to go back to our ebooks and then brush themselves up. The alphabets, two-letter words, numbers, phrases, verbs, everything you want to know. They are all covered in our ebooks. And get that today, and you'll be glad you did. Chinyere Obi, I hope you got what I explained about our ebooks. I hope you're going to buy them after the class. Chinyere Obi, I want your response. Okay, while I'm waiting for that response, I'm also waiting for the sentence I've just said that we should write in Igbo. Only one person have done that. I'm expecting Chikezie to write his own. Yeah, Chikezie own has come in. I'm not expecting many people to be writing because I know this is a little bit complex. So if you've not got to a little bit advanced in Igbo, you might not be contributing much here. So you just listen and learn. Chikezie has written, "Ọbụghị naanị na ọ na-agụsi akwụkwọ ike, kama ọ na-arụ ọrụ ọfụma." Great work. So kama is what we use in this case, but also kama is better, not ma, is kama. Ọ bụghị naanị na ọ na-agụsi akwụkwọ ike, kama, that's the word, kama, that is, but also, kama, ọ na-arụ ọrụ ọfụma, it works well. This is a perfect sentence. Ọ bụghị naanị na ọ na-agụsi akwụkwọ ike, kama, that's the word, kama. So the two words here is ọ bụghị naanị, one leg. Second leg, kama, also, but also. First leg, not only, ọ bụghị naanị na. Second one, kama, but also. I hope that makes sense. So, those of you who are writing, I've told you when you're coming to class, come with biro, come with books, so you can write. That's the benefit of being in this free class. If you don't write, how will you remember what we said here? There's no other way you can maximize your being in class if you're not writing. So always come with book and biro or writing and copying so that you can review what we did. You can listen to this video again and then assess your notes and then learn more from that. So this is the perfect sentence which Chikezie McDonald has written, the class captain. We appreciate that. That's a perfect sentence. Okay. Now we go to the sixth one. Remember, we're going to number 8. As we round up this lesson today, we're going to number 8. So we go to the sixth one. And the sixth one is such, ... that. Such, ... that. That is a compound. Such, that. Such, that. Okay, let's try our brain on this. So, what is that? What is such, ... that? Then here, enwere m akwụkwọ na egbe iji gbaa ewu m. Okay, Daniel, you're always naughty. That is the role you choose to play in this class. Okay, but I believe you are learning. I believe Daniel is learning. I think you are only pretending you are not learning something. If you are not learning, you will be coming to class every Saturday. I'm sure you are learning something. What is left for you is to appreciate what we are doing and contribute so that I can learn better. But I'm sure you are learning something. But you always choose to, be a distraction to others when you come to class, which is not fair. But I know you are learning something. Otherwise, you won't be wasting time coming to class every Saturday. Okay? So we're talking about such, ... that. Can somebody guess what it is? Such, that. Okay? Any idea? Any idea? Any idea? Yeah, such, that. Such, that. Okay? Such, that. Any idea? Due to ahụ na. Okay? Chikezero ka ọ ga-abụ. Okay? All great effort. All great effort. I'm not going to wait for more people to write, because these are the two people who are showing a better understanding because of their level of knowledge of Igbo. So we will not wait for your answers to come in. We'll go straight and deal with it. My answer for this is no nke mere. No nke mere. Though you wrote ka, somebody wrote dio tu ahụ. But let's see how it goes in the sentence and know whether my own is going to be better. No, one part, ... nke mere. Let's look at it in a sentence. It's such a small work that I have to finish it quickly. It's such a small work that I have to finish it quickly. Remember the words? Such. One leg. Second leg, that. Such, that. Composite. Such, that. It's such a small work that. Second part. I have to finish it quickly. Now let's look at the Igbo version. If I say, is obuka obere ọrụ, if I use Chikezie's word, obuka obere ọrụ. The second part, ọ ga-abụ ihe mere m ji mechie ya ọsịsọ. That is not a correct sentence. Let me try using Igbo's own. Ọ dị otu ahụ. That is in such a small work. Okay, ọ dị otu ahụ. The second part, na m ji rụchaa ya ọsịsọ. It doesn't go. It doesn't go. Now let's look at the teacher's option. It's such a small work that I have to finish it quickly. Ọ bụ nnọọ, that's what I use for such. Ọ bụ nnọọ obere ọrụ. Nke mere, that's the reason now. Nke mere, the reason. Nke mere, m ji rụọ ya ọsịsọ. Nke mere is such a small work that I have to finish it quickly. Ọ bụ nnọọ, such a small one. Nnọọ obere ọrụ. So that such is nnọọ, emphasis on the side. Ọ bụ nnọọ obere ọrụ. Ọ dị nnọọ obere. Okay, this is not nnọọ in terms of greeting. No. Ọ bụ nnọọ obere ọrụ. Nke mere, that. Nke mere, nji rụọ ya ọsịsọ, rụchaa ya ọsịsọ. Let me look at what class captain wrote. Ọ bụ nnọọ obere ọrụ nke na-arụchara m N'egbughị oge. No. Nke mere m ji rụchaa ya n'egbughị oge. I'm correcting class captain now. You got the first part. Ọ bụ nnọọ obere ọrụ is such a small work. Second part. That. Nke mere I have to finish it quickly. Nke mere m ji rụchaa ya ọsịsọ. So one part, such no obere ọrụ, such a small work. That I have to finish it quickly. Nke mere m ji rụchaa ya ọsịsọ. Ọ bụ nnọọ obere ọrụ. Nke mere m ji rụchaa ya ọsịsọ. It's talking about a reason why you finish that work quickly. Because the work is very small. Okay? That is nke mere, a reason for that. So, okay. So let's correct the sentence now. Ọ bụ nnọọ obere ọrụ. Nke mere m ji rụchaa ya ọsịsọ. Let that sentence be corrected. Chikezie, correct the sentence. Ọ bụ nnọọ obere ọrụ. Nke mere m ji rụchaa ya ọsịsọ. Such a small work that I have to finish it quickly. Okay, I'm waiting for the correction of the sentence from the class captain, Chikezie. I know you are doing that behind the scene. I need to see it posted. So we go to the number 7th conjunction today. Okay, Igbo has tried that. Ọ bụ nnọọ obere ọrụ. Nke mere m ji emechaa ya ọsịsọ. Nke mere m ji mechaa ya, not emechaa ya. Igbo, you almost got that. Just that one sentence, one word. Nke mere m ji mechaa ya. For finish. Okay, you got it before now. Mecha, finish now. Messia or mecha, all are correct. Okay? Or rocha in terms of work. Okay? Rocha, which is what Chikezie use. You finish the work. Rochaya. Mechaya, did it finish. All correct. Mechaya, finish the work. Work it finish. Mechaya, did it finish. Or did it all. They are all in order. So where you put Igbo, kemeremji, emechaya, you will just say, remove E in front of M. Put mecha, M-E-C-H-A-A. Mecha your sister. That would be perfect. Then the McDonald say, Obo no obere ọrụ. Nke mere m ji rụchaa ya ọsịsọ. Perfect. Rụchaa or mechaya. All is correct. Mechaya. Okay, Igbo. Perfect. That's why you should put that place you wrote a mecha. And that will be okay. Can you use ngwa for quickly? Ngwa. Okay. Yeah, of course. Princess Ezenwa, you can use ngwa. Is also correct. That's quickly. Nke mere m ji rụchaa ya or mechaa ya ngwa. So princess, you're also in order. Either ọsịsọ, ngwa, both are the same. They have the same meaning. Ọsịsọ, ngwa. They are both having the same meaning in the Igbo language. So that is perfect. Okay, happy to see Princess Ezenwa contributing. I was afraid that some of you are no more in class because this class is a little bit, high, but it's fine. You have to learn new things. That's why you are in class. Can you use ngwa for quickly? Okay, I already corrected that. I already answered that question. We go to number 7. Number 7, scarcely when. Scarcely, ... when. Scarcely, ... when. I make a sentence to give you an idea of what I'm saying. Scarcely had he entered the room when the phone rang. Scarcely had he entered the room when the phone rang. These are the two words. Scarcely, when. Scarcely, before he even entered. Almost as he's entering, the phone rang. Scarcely had he entered the room when the phone rang. So what is the Igbo version for scarcely and when? Most of us should know when by now. But scarcely may be where we're going to have problems. But let's try them out. Scarcely and when. Gịnị ka ọ bụ n'Igbo? Gịnị ka ọ bụ n'Igbo? Scarcely and when. Ngwa. Okay. Igbo said ụkọ mgbe. You didn't put your ... Let me know the two you are referring to. But I understand. You mean scarcely is ụkọ. You gave it a literal meaning. Scarcely. What do you call it? It's very scarce. That's great work. I love that, Igbo Igbo. People say when the snake want to run away, cut the tail of the snake. Everybody will know you have tried. When you want to kill a snake and they want to escape, cut the tail. Let there be evidence that you gave the snake a chase, a hot chase. Everybody will praise you. So that is what Igbo Igbo has done. Instead of losing out, just say something that look like that. Dr. Blahi, I'm coming very late to class. So this class is almost ending. Okay, so what do we have as scarcely? Mbe is correct. Mbe, when? Mbe is correct. We're looking for the first part, which is scarcely. Okay, that's what we're looking for. Mbe is perfect. Okay, I guess nobody's coming up with that. Class captain, this one hard for your neck. Okay, you've not written that, but I guess it's difficult. Okay, scarcely. Okay, now let's look for an answer. Okay, Chikeze wrote, "Oforo ntakịrị." Then the second part, obere mgbe. Okay, good effort, good effort. Okay, okay. Now let me now do the correction. Ọkọrọ ọnụ, Bright Ikenna. Ọkọrọ ọnụ. I didn't seem to understand what you mean, Bright. Okay, okay, but let's move on. Okay, I give the answer. Mgbe is correct, second part. Okay, okay. Clement wrote, Nwayo mgbe. Okay, that's not correct. Are you saying castly? My dear, I don't even use that in English. No, that's not what I said. I didn't say castly. I say scarce, scarce, like something lacking. I'm talking to everyone now. Something lacking. Something is scarce. Scarce as in lack of something. Scarce. I don't know whether my pronunciation is not perfect, but that is lack of something. I'm explaining to everyone now. Lack of something. That is the word I mean. Scarcely. So it's spelled Scarcely. Scarcely. So lack of something. Something lacking. Something not available yet. Is there one, right? Okay, yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah. So that's what I mean. Scarcely. Yeah, that's what I mean. So the sentence is scarcely had he entered the room when the phone rang. And then some people have said when mgbe is correct. The bone of contention now is scarcely. What do we use for Igbo meaning of that? It is oka. Oka maybe that in oka sibe, oka maybe, oka banyebe. So it's actually oka o dot under standing alone, then followed by ka, oka. Okay, then the other part is mbe, which is correct from what all of you wrote. Now let's try to use that in the sentence and see whether it will go. Now let's use that in the sentence. Scarcely had he entered the room when the phone rang. I put it this way. Ọka banyebe n'ime ụlọ mgbe ekwentị kụrụ. Ọka banyebe n'ime ụlọ mgbe ekwentị kụrụ. It's like it is about entering. It's almost not, it has not almost entered. Okay? Osiriike. Somebody said Osiriike. Chinyerobi said Osiriike. This one Osiriike now. Yeah, that's why. Because if we don't go up a little bit, those who have been in class for a while will get bored. We can't repeat the same thing every time. So Chinyere, you do yourself a favor by getting our ebooks, like I said earlier, to get all the rudiments we'll be dealing with all the while, right? Then we're going to publish the ebook for this particular lesson, a summary of everything in Igbo conjunction by next week. We'll also upload a video of summary of all we have said so far or done so far in this series next week. So, Chinyere, make sure you have subscribed to our channel. Make sure you buy the ebooks by going to the channel description to open our ebook shop and pick them up so you can brush yourself up and get to the level where we are now, Chinyere. I hope you are going to do that. if you really want to, measure up and come to this level. I hope you do that. Very important to do that. Also, some people have also engaged us in private lessons through which they actually upgrade themselves. Boibo is one of our students in private class and some other people. So if you want a private class through which you can have one-on-one with me for better, understanding and explanation of issues at your own convenient time, why not? Send us email at theibotutor@gmail.com. The Igbo tutor, just a channel name, put it together, don't separate it. All small letters, the Igbo tutor@gmail.com. Send us a mail today, request for private lessons. We'll oblige you with that. Okay, but before that, get the books, start studying on your own, because the book has both audio and text and pictures. Download the audios so that you can listen to it offline without consuming data. You have them with you all the time. Listen to me, talk to you, and explain issues to you. Get that today, and you'll be glad you did. Okay, how much is the private lesson? Okay, don't you send me email or don't you have you are in our WhatsApp group or you have my private WhatsApp? Send me WhatsApp message so that I can explain that to you. Okay, but anyway, if you want me to answer it here, I don't mind. We charge a minimum fee of $5 per hour. Okay, $5 per hour. Sometimes it goes beyond 1 hour, depending on the situation we find ourselves. But it's $5 per hour for a lesson. So that's where we are. So, but those of you who are in class here, I've said it's important you also appreciate us here. We're spending more than 1 hour here every Saturday. Appreciate us. Give us super chat. Give us super, stickers, and let's be encouraged. Let's cover our costs. It takes us time and money, the energy to be here and teach you for more than 1 hour every Saturday, free of charge. So encourage us. Why not? Okay. Now I'm talking about Okabanye Chabe. N'ụlọ mgbe ekwentị ya kụrụ. Ọka abanyechabeghị n'ime ụlọ mgbe ekwentị ya kụrụ. Ọka scarcely had he entered. Ọka abanyechabeghị n'ime ụlọ mgbe when ekwentị ya, of course you know ekwentị is phone, rang, kụrụ. Okay? Ọka abanyechabeghị n'ime ụlọ mgbe ekwentị ya kụrụ. Ọka abanyechabeghị n'ime ụlọ mgbe ekwentị ya kụrụ. Scarcely had he entered the house when his phone rang. Okay, how about Sunday lesson? Okay, Abdullah, you're asking me for Sunday lesson. I don't know, we'll try if we can, but I need to be encouraged to come to class on Sunday. Most of you are just enjoying the free lesson. You are not doing anything. No super chat, no super sticker, no anything. Encourage your teacher to come online again on Sunday now. So if I don't get encouraged, you want me to just spend my time, I'm supposed to be resting on Sunday, spend my money, spend everything, do the research, give you free, you enjoy it and walk away. Nah, be fair now. They say time and money. Okay, let's move on. So we'll think about it if Sunday will be possible or not, but I need to be encouraged to do that. Okay, now I don't know whether Chikezie heard what I said in this sentence or anyone else. Igbo, did you hear what I said? Okay, I said, Ọka abanyechabeghị n'ime ụlọ mgbe ekwentị ya kụrụ. Ọka abanyechabeghị n'ime ụlọ mgbe ekwentị ya kụrụ. That's fine. Chikezie has written that. That's what I was waiting for. And that is a perfect sentence. You got all I said correctly. So those of you who are copying, please copy what Chikezie has written now. Copy it to your notebook now while we go to the last conjunction for today and wrap up today's lesson. Okay, last one is no sooner ... than. No sooner than. No sooner than. Okay, what is that in Igbo? The two words are no sooner. The second part is than. What are the words in Igbo? Let's give it a try. No sooner than. Remember, we are rounding up this lesson of conjunction. The series is ending today. So do yourself a favor to buy our ebooks on this, which is a summary of all we have done, and even extra explanations that will be, published next week. Watch out in our community tab, in our home page. Check the community tab. You're going to see adverts or link to the ebook. We're going to also post a video on this next week. Watch out for that. And then we continue with every other thing we do. We go to another topic entirely from next Saturday. So we're looking for no sooner than. No sooner ... than. The two words that makes up the conjunction, correlative conjunction. Any attempt from anybody? Any attempt? Any attempt? Any attempt? Yeah. Any attempts? Any attempts? Okay, I'm waiting for that. Amaim. Okay, Chike say Amaim. Ibo, any trier? If you don't know, say Amaim. So we now give it out. Yes, Ibo try. Let me hear from you. Let me hear from you. Let me hear from you. My students today, now wow. When I hold a hand well, I don't want to release anything for your teacher. No appreciation today. Okay, we are waiting. Any idea from Ibo? Before I give the answer, any idea? Ibo, say Amaim. If you don't have any idea, so we'll go to give the answer. Give the sentence now. No idea also. I'm waiting for Ibo. I've not heard from you. Okay. Maybe there's a network issue from her end. Okay. Mba. Okay. Neka wrote ngwa carrier. Great work. Neka, that's a good trial. You got the first part very well, which is no sooner. Ngwa. That is it. Ngwa. You got the first part. The other part is done. Use carrier. Okay. So, but that is not what we're using. It's not a comparison now. But what we use there is not carrier, but ka. Ka. Only ka. Okay. Okay, Mrs. Frey say Amaim, that's fine. So only Ka, not carrier, we use only Ka, in this case, Ka. Okay, so let's look at the sentences now. No sooner did he enter the room than he saw a snake. No sooner did he enter the room than he saw a snake. It has to be long. Remember, the two words are no sooner. The other one is than. No sooner did he enter the room than he saw a snake. So let's try that. The Igbo version. I told you that no sooner is ngwa is okay. Ngwa ọ banyere n'ụlọ ka ọ hụrụ agwọ. Agwọ is snake. AGWO with dot under the O. Ngwa ọ banyere n'ụlọ ka ọ hụrụ agwọ. So that than is ka. No sooner is ngwa. Ọsịsọ. Ngwa. Ngwa ọ banyere n'ụlọ ka ọ hụrụ agwọ. No sooner did he enter the room than he saw a snake. Okay? Than. No sooner. Yeah. Ngwa ọ banyere n'ụlọ ka ọ hụrụ agwọ. Chikezie, please write that. Let everybody see the chart. Repeat what I've said now in chart. Ngwa ọ banyere n'ụlọ ka ọ hụrụ agwọ. Okay, Clement Emehe. Ngwa ọ banyere n'ụlọ ka Correct. But your agwo need to have dot under the O. That is the difference. Ngwa ngwa ọ banyere n'ime ụlọ ka ọ hụrụ agwọ. That's good. That's perfect. Chikeze, that's perfect. Clement, you tried. Only that you are ngwa ngwa or you are or doesn't have dot under. The other or that are supposed to have dot under is agwo. The O in agwo need to have dot under. Those are just a few corrections for Clement Emehe. But that's a good trial. It's a good effort. As we're rounding up, this is the last for today. As we're rounding up, I said earlier that we have a summary of this lesson is coming in as ebook next week. We're going to have a summary video too uploaded into our channel, and we're also going to have other ebooks that are all lined up in our bookshop for picks, and you can buy all of them with as little as $25. About 10 books there, cheap ones, $2, $3. You buy them. So avail yourself of these ebooks to prepare yourself and equip yourself, and come to the level where you participate fully, because they contain all the rudiments you need to know. Access them today. How? Through our channel page. Go to our description of the channel. You see the link to our bookshop. Look at the description of this particular live session we're having now and other previous ones. You see a link to our bookshop. Also, some of our live sessions have pinned comments that has a link to the bookshop. Get them today, and you'll not regret for buying them. So cheap for that particular content. So cheap, so big a value for you. So don't miss it out. So how many of us are going to buy our ebooks today? You didn't want to give me super chat or super thanks. You buy the ebooks. Which one are you doing? You're buying books today, or you're giving me thanks or chat now, waiting for you. Which one are you giving me today? Super chat, super thanks, stickers, ebooks. Which one are you having? Just let me know as we round up this class today. I want to say thank you for all of you that found time to be in our class today. We appreciate you for sparing your time and for learning Igbo language with us. We are not taking your commitment for granted, especially our class captain, McDonald Chikezie. We appreciate your contribution. Assistant captain, Ibo, we appreciate you. And every other person that has subscribed to our channel, we are not taking you for granted. You are the reason why we are here. Your support is appreciated. And we also thank you specially for learning our native language. Some of you are not even Igbo, but you found joy in learning Igbo language. So we thank you for doing that. Books and donation. Okay. This is free. Said books and donation. Okay. How are you giving us your donation? Are you giving us donation directly, or you're giving us super chat or super thanks? Which one are you doing? I'm talking to Miss Free. I don't know which one you are doing and how you are doing them, but we also appreciate that. So all our friends of the channel, remember, this channel also have membership. Membership is available. You want to have special privileges, special perks, free ebooks every month, we have a special membership package for you. So check the black button for join for membership. Click it now, pay up, and begin to support us in a special way. We also support you in a special way when you are a member. Okay? So, thank you very much. Chikezie, thank you. You say you will write me privately during the week. I appreciate that. So, okay? Thank you all for being here. It's Tara. Okay? It's Tara. Oh, is that your name? Tara is your name. Okay? So we thank you for being here, especially those of you who are not Igbo, who are learning Igbo language. Our Igbo wives, our Igbo husbands, and fiancés, we really thank you so much. Igbo is one of them. Igbo is not Igbo, but she's married to us. She's learning our language. She's so committed to doing that. We appreciate all of you. So see you next Saturday. But hopefully, if I have the strength, I might come up on Sunday evening by 8 p.m. if I have the strength and time to do that. But until then, watch out for our ebooks. Watch out for a new video this coming week. God bless you. See you then.